Okay, so looking at this question, it says here are two rectangles. Q to R is 10 centimetres, and that's given to us over here, but it's not given on the diagram. So Q to R is 10, and we'll label that over here. It says that B to C is equal to PQ. So B to C, which is this length here, is equal to PQ, this length here. So we can label that with a letter. I've gone for X here. You could go with any letter. It says the perimeter of ABCD is 26 centimetres. Now this here, ABCD is 26 centimetres, doesn't really help us right now because ABCD has no length on it at all. So we could guess some numbers, but we are given some more information. It says the area of PQRS, the right rectangle there, is 45 centimetres squared. Now, as we know it's 45 centimetres squared and we know it has a length of 10, we can work out the width, that value of x. The area of a rectangle is length times width, depending on which one you want to call it. Here, 10, let's call it the length. X is the width. So x times 10 is equal to 45. So we can solve that. We can divide by 10. Quite nice there, as we're doing this without a calculator. Dividing by 10 is okay. So x equals 4.5. So now we can get rid of this x. We can put 4.5 and we can put that over here as well because we're told that they're the same length. Now what we know is that a rectangle, opposite sides have the same length, so this is also 4.5. We can now go back to that information that said the perimeter of ABCD is 26. So because we know the perimeter, which is the distance around the outside, is 26, we have two lengths, 4.5 and 4.5. That's equal to 9 in total. Again, you could add those up to the side. So if we do 26 and we subtract 9, we have what's left over, which is 17. So there are 17 centimetres split between these two opposite and equal lengths. We just need to do 17 divided by 2. So 17 divided by 2, whenever I'm halving a number, a non-calculator, I think about the number before it. So 16, particularly when it's an odd number. So 16 just before it, half of 16 is 8, so it's 8.5. So that's not quite a nice quick way just to halve numbers. Of course, you can do bus stop division if you want, but there we go, they would both be 8.5. So this question was asking for the length of AB. A to B is just here. We've got the 8.5 there, so our final answer for this question is 8.5 centimetres. And there we go. That is dealing with area and perimeter. We had reverse area and then also reverse perimeter. Quite a lot of marks for that question, lots of knowledge about area and perimeter, and all done there without a calculator. If you want all 9 questions like this in one place, then grab my REVISE9 revision grids completely free. Click the link in the description, create your free account, and unlock them inside Upgrade or TGMT4T. Simply head to the REVISE9 tab, select Higher or Crossover, and download them instantly.